Hey everyone, it's Kim, Angel Dream Crafts, and I am here with a VR for the lovely Belinda Coombs. Belinda's having a Marie Antoinette challenge on her channel, and it's open until the end of June. And I thought, okay, well that's probably enough time for me to get this to you. So I thought I would make something for her challenge, and she wanted us to be very creative and think outside the box and be very inspired by Marie Antoinette. So, that's what I did, and I've created a collar piece in the style of Marie Antoinette, and this is the back, and it's this beautiful cotton floral piece, which is a collar piece. So I started with that as my base, and you can see all the beautiful flowers on the back. Unfortunately, most of them got covered up with the things on the front, but I really had fun making this, so I hope that you like it, Belinda. And let me flip it over and show you what I did. And again, it's in the Marie Antoinette style, so it's very over the top. And I hope that I'm going to be able to show this properly. I have tied it with, sorry, somebody's messaging me. I've tied it with this hand-dyed seam binding I have here, and maybe I will just zoom in a little bit so you can get a closer look at it. I've put this here and I've just tied it there, so you can tie it around a dress form, or if you feel like wearing it, Belinda, you go right ahead, girl. You wear it. And I've done the colors in like soft pastels, creams, whites, and pinks. So let me share with you what I did. Starting down here on the side, and I'm just going to pick this up. I've dangled some, excuse me, some pearls here and some dyed dangle trim on the side. So when it's being held up, you can see that it dangles down there on the side. And then right at the bottom here, I've got these beautiful flowers that I made. This one was made by the lovely Siobhan, who is Pearl and Button, and I've added a gorgeous shabby bow. I've got some pearl bridal trim here. I've added a lace butterfly, a little pink fleur-de-lis tucked in there, and then this is one of my handmade embellishments. And it has cakes on it and Paris, and of course, you know, her famous line, which she actually did not say, "Let them eat cake." She really didn't say that, but unfortunately that phrase is attached to her now, but I thought I'd add that on there anyway. So that's one of my handmade embellishments there. Beautiful ribbon rose, more beaded and sequined bridal applique, a beautiful sequined butterfly in pink and white, and some more ribbon roses there on that side. And then over here on this side, on top of the flowers here, I've made this big flower, very shabby, with some very soft pastel fabrics. And this is actually silk from like the underskirt of a wedding dress. And then another one of my handmade embellishments, which is Marie Antoinette right there. And then I've got more ribbon flowers and a beautiful dangle piece. So let me zoom out again. Okay, and then hopefully, I don't know if I have something that is, oh, wait a minute, maybe this would work. My cutting pad might work. You might be able to see it a lot better on here. There we go. Excuse me. So there you can see that is the collar piece. I wonder if I just put my camera up just a little bit. There we go. So that is my beautiful Marie Antoinette collar piece for you. And of course you can see all the shabbiness, and of course it's over the top because it's Marie Antoinette. I hope you like it, Belinda. I had so much fun making this. It's something I haven't done, so I tried to think outside of the box. And this will be coming to you later in the week. So I'm pretty sure you'll have it in time, but if you don't, that's okay. Just enjoy it, and I really hope that you like this. And I will put a link to Belinda's channel down below, so please go over and check out her fun challenge. I really, like I said, had a great time doing this. So with something really fun and different. So thanks, Belinda, and I'll be back soon, guys. Take care.